Guy delivers pizza during a blizzard and turns $2 tip into $40K. Seems legit. I would do that.
No, who do you work for? Rockstar. What is it? Rockstar Pizza. Look
You gotta be a rock star to be out there in the...
Brownsburg, Indiana ran into a pizza delivery man trekking through a blizzard, only to find out he got a $2 tip on a $40 order. What happened next changed everything. Let me explain. Connor Stefanoff.
How are you gonna order a pizza and tip $2 in a blizzard?
Half-mile trek through a blizzard to complete an order after the road was shut down. On his way back to his car, Stefanoff ran into police officer Richard Craig, who was shocked to discover the poor tip he received after going above and beyond to make the delivery.
And you know they... Oh my god.
Are you kidding me?
Officer Craig shares motivational content, mentorship, and community stories on his TikTok account @OfficerCraig, inspiring and educating his audience. After his interaction with Stefanoff, he knew he had to jump into action.
I ran back to the car. I'm a little winded. It's a lot. So give that man the cash that I had, because that's the right thing to do. What this young man just did, they're not required to do that.
In the video's caption, Officer Craig reveals he launched a GoFundMe to give Stefanoff the tip he truly deserved. The response was overwhelming. Nearly 2,000 people pitched in, raising over $40,000 to show their appreciation. Speaking to WRTV Indianapolis, Stefanoff said, "I still don't believe this is real, but it is." Ron Matthews, the owner of Rockstar Pizza, praised Stefanoff, calling him more than deserving of the support. Would you trek through a blizzard for a pizza delivery? Let us know in the comments.
Hell fucking no. Hell fucking no, I would not. And you know them motherfuckers probably complain that pizza was fucking cold. Bitch, you ordered a pizza in a blizzard and you tipped $2 on a $40 order. Okay, 10% is at minimum $4, okay? Let alone 20% being the actual tip price that you should pay, let alone his ass just trekked through a blizzard for you to have pizza because you're a lazy ass. Oh my god. And, yeah, like the shop owner is sending you out in a blizzard to deliver pizza. I would be like, I am sorry, pick up only, bitches. Do you see what it looks like outside? I am not being responsible for my fucking workers being sent out into a snowstorm and potentially losing their lives or crashing or fucking anything for you to get a fucking pizza. You eating a motherfucking stuffed crust fucking pepperoni and onion is not worth their lives. Are you so serious? You tipped him $2. Y'all should be ashamed of yourselves. He should put them on blast. Actually, he probably shouldn't do that because you'd get in trouble. But that's shitty. You are a shitty person if you're going to tip $2 after that man walked a pizza to your motherfucking house in a blizzard. That is fucked up.